Hello, it's Technology Central here, and welcome to the 5th tutorial in our 7-part tutorial series about using OpenOffice Presentation. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to work with pictures, audio, and video within your presentation. Let's start with pictures. To add a picture to your presentation, come to Insert, and then choose Picture. Most of the time you're going to want to insert the picture from File, so click there. Navigate to where you have the picture saved, select it, and click Open. We've now inserted a picture into our presentation. You can resize the picture using the green boxes, as so. If you want to preserve the aspect ratio of the picture while you resize, hold down Shift and it will lock it to keep the picture in the same aspect ratio. As you can see, we've got a shadow on our picture. This can be turned on or off using the shadow option, which can be found here. You can also adjust the transparency of the picture using the transparency option. Increase or decrease the transparency using the buttons here. You can also apply some color corrections. Click on the color button and adjust the brightness, contrast, and colors using these options. To delete the image, click on the image and simply hit delete. Now let's look at audio and video. Audio and video are handled in the same way within OpenOffice. To keep things simple, we're going to just look at audio. To insert an audio file or a video, come to Insert and then choose Movie and Sound. Again, navigate to where you have your audio or video file saved. Here we have a music file. Select it and click Open. And here we've now inserted our audio. If you've inserted a video, it will appear here. It's important to remember OpenOffice doesn't support every video or audio format available. If your format isn't supported, you may need to convert your video or audio to a different format before inserting it into your presentation. You can move your audio or video around within your presentation by clicking and dragging, and resize using the green icons in the same way as we did for videos. We can now come to the Media Playback toolbar. Here you can play your audio, pause it, stop the audio from playing, which moves your playback back to the start. You can set the audio to play on repeat, and you can select where to start the playback from using the media player controls. You can also choose to mute your audio or adjust its volume using this slider. An important thing to note with OpenOffice is videos or audio are only inserted as a link to where it's saved in your file system. If you're saving this presentation to be used on a different computer or sending it to someone else, you should include the video and audio files within the folder of the presentation and send them with the presentation. That's all we've got to show you in this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you have, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.